Yo, crazy Superman here in Taiwan. Right now it's 5 a.m. in the morning. I want to capture some natural sound. Birds living in the concrete jungle. Their nest is all in the house here, you can see. Usually very tiny, difficult to spot, but it's always along the house on the concrete. And right here, this is a military police training camp, and there's a whole bunch of trees here. We're going to hear some cacidia sound, really cool. You don't hear this in Canada, but in Taiwan there's a lot of cacidia. They only live for 7 days, they die. And here we're going to hear a ton of them. Because now it's early morning, you can hear them. Otherwise, in the daytime when there's a lot of traffic, the traffic sound will block it. You cannot hear in the daytime. So now it's 5 a.m. You can hear the cacidia sound. See? It feels wonderful. Listen to this cacidia sound. They are very tiny, difficult to see, but they are certainly very loud. And there's a convenience store, Family Mart. They are everywhere. Their concentration is #1 in the world, convenience store. And inside there's a whole bunch of goodies. I really enjoy listening to this sound. It just feels so peaceful, like you are right in the nature. And that mixture with birds chirping, chirp, chirp, chirp. Oh, there's the birds right there. Ah, that feels wonderful. I like this feeling.